How to insert a video in PowerPoint. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can insert a video in PowerPoint. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So for that, you can head over to your PowerPoint presentation in which you want to add a video to. For example, I have selected this as an example only. So all you need to do is head over to the Insert tab at the top, and once you reach over here, you'll be finding different options available. So go ahead and locate this option video, which is right here on the right side. You can find it easily. After that, it gives you options, 3 of the options. You can use of any of the options that you prefer. But for now, I'm using this first option from my own device, and you can just go ahead and select up the video from your folder, your file manager. So all you need to do is click on this Insert tab, and when you do that, you'll be finding your video. Insert it right here. You can go ahead and resize it. You can use this play button in order to play the video from your PowerPoint. So that is it. This is the method you can apply up in order to insert a video in PowerPoint very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.